Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you and show how you can easily get to a DFU mode on iPhone XS, 11 iPhone or some older devices except iPhone 7, because on iPhone 7 to get to a DFU mode you need to try different combinations. So you can see in my videos how you can do it on iPhone 7, and I showed you an example of iPhone 7 how you can get to a DFU mode on different devices like iPhone XS, iPhone X, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro Max, and older devices like iPhone 8, iPhone 6, iPhone 5 and other. So just press on power button and press on home button, and just at one moment you need to press on these two buttons, power button and home button. So just press it until you will see that your screen become dark, but you don't need to see Apple logo. If you see Apple logo you won't get into DFU mode, so you just hard reset your iPhone. So just press this power button and home button for some time, and about 7 or 8 seconds to 10 seconds, not more, and just release your finger from power button, but don't release finger from home button, and just press on home button for maybe 5 seconds, and after you do, just release your finger from home button and you will success enter to DFU mode. So if you want to exit from DFU mode, you just need to press these two buttons for 10 seconds and your device will restart, and it will load your iOS system. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.